In this video, I'm going to talk about creating a pattern on the wooden dummy, putting some of our strikes and blocks and controls together in a sequence of techniques. And it's very beneficial to have a pattern on the wooden dummy. This way you get an opportunity to maybe tweak it or enhance it. Or even go faster on the wooden dummy to develop speed. So you have a lot of advantages to creating patterns on the wooden dummy. I'm going to demonstrate two patterns from my system, and I'll compare them for you so you can see them on the dummy and also with one of my students, and you'll see the similarities as we do it. Okay, I'll talk about it briefly. This will be a deflecting block, moving the strike out of the way, and then I'm going to clear it so I can grab strikes, controls, finishing blow. The second pattern I'll show you, I'm going to be evading a strike. So I'll take the middle peg out, and I'll also change my lead. It's another thing about patterns. You can work both sides. And in this case, this will be one of the strikes I'm going to defend against. Again, patterns can be very helpful on the wooden dummy. You don't want to be bound to them, however. There's a lot of room for variables when you're doing anything on the wooden dummy, so keep that in mind. But always try and validate what you do with a training partner so you can see your training is real and it's true. Okay, thanks for watching.